Business owners, have you ever wished you could be everywhere, talking to all your customers at the same time? On your website, chatbot, even through voice conversations. Introducing Agentic AI, your true AI-powered human agent that talks, listens, and connects just like you. Not just a chatbot, not just voice AI, but your complete AI powerhouse. Chat, connect, support, sell, all in one place. Every lead, every conversation, captured, scored, and processed inside a powerful built-in CRM. So your agent doesn't just talk to customers, it converts them for businesses, creators, marketers, and sales pros. Imagine being in multiple places at once, helping every customer, follower, or client. Endless conversations, personal connections, more sales, better support. Your AI agent can meet anyone, anywhere, and speak their language. On chat, on voice, on your site, face-to-face, human-to-human. Need live chat? It's there. Need automation? Done. Need growth? Built in. This is not generic natural language processing. This is Agentic AI, a conversation, action, and growth engine. An AI built to serve, sell, and scale your business. Be everywhere. Serve everyone. Scale without limits. Sounds exciting, right? Why Agentic AI is different. Let's face it, people don't want another chatbot spitting out robotic replies. Customers want solutions, they want action, and they want it fast. That's where Agentic AI comes in. Unlike generative AI that just replies, Agentic AI decides, executes, and delivers results, captures leads and updates your CRM, triggers workflows and follows up instantly, handles sales, support, education, even complex tasks automatically. And with Super Chatbot, you can merge multiple agents into one powerhouse assistant that manages everything together. Why this matters for you? Think about it. People buy, learn, and stay loyal because of fast personal connections. But when responses get delayed, customers cancel, refund, or buy from your competitors. Agentic AI makes sure that never happens again. It keeps conversations flowing, answers instantly, and converts hesitation into sales. Studies show that emotionally connected customers are 4x more likely to stay loyal and spend twice as much. Agentic AI makes that level of connection scalable without needing more staff. Here's how easy it is. Creating your AI agents takes just 3 simple steps. Build and customize. Start with 1,000 plus done-for-you templates or create from scratch. Train and enhance. Upload data, set goals, and teach your agent your style. Publish and profit. Deploy everywhere in one click and let Agentic AI work 24/7. No coding, no hiring teams, no wasting 50,000 plus on developers. Imagine the possibilities. Your business selling products and services on autopilot. Every customer supported instantly in their own language. Scaling like never before while saving time, money, and stress. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, agency, or creator, Agentic AI is your growth engine. What you'll achieve with Agentic AI. Be everywhere at once. Website, chatbot, voice, standalone. Automate 80% of queries and /support costs. Convert more visitors into paying customers. Build loyalty and trust through real-time engagement. Even launch your own branded AI agency and sell agents for 2,000 plus each. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Don't miss out. Right now, during launch, you can grab Agentic AI at a special one-time price. But don't wait. After this, it moves to recurring subscriptions. With our 30-day money-back guarantee, there's 0 risk and unlimited potential. So the choice is yours. Stick with outdated chatbots or step into the future with Agentic AI and never lose a customer again. Click below to secure your copy of Agentic AI today.